So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has finally broken above $110,000. Of course, it is sitting at 111,150. And the overall situation of Bitcoin is becoming interesting in a sense that we have finally seen Bitcoin closing above $110,000 for the first time with a single candle that is big enough. It's not a questionable candle like this. I would have taken it still, but the second one went below, confirmed that it has failed. But this time this is a bigger dildo. We cannot ignore it. So one candle has closed above it and it went to 111,999.79, almost 112. I'm sure on some exchanges it has gone and hit 112. But we are looking at Binance right now. Anyway, the overall situation of Binance, of Bitcoin is interesting right now. We have had one daily closing above it. The second day has started. Let's see if we get a second day closing above 110 or not. If we get 2 days closing above 110, as I have discussed already, we are going to see the journey towards 120. It will be in pieces in a sense that the first area of target will be 115. Not because that it matters, it's a psychological number, and you are talking about price discovery, because above 112 Bitcoin has never been there in that region. So when we talk about price discoveries, they can pretty much go in any direction, and in price discoveries generally the best areas are the psychological targets like 115, 120. You wouldn't see Michael Saylor or someone else who is a Bitcoin maxi that would come out and say Bitcoin is going to go towards $213,000. They always use rounded numbers, 200,000, 300,000, 350,000. They wouldn't put numbers that are awkward or strange, because this is something that comes from their heart or their belly or some other parts of the body, but it doesn't come from technical analysis. And same as the case scenario when market is overshooting. Overshooting means it is actually going and delivering more than it should. It generally goes and it hits the psychological targets. And same as the case scenario right now with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's current case scenario should shoot it up towards 115 if we get the second daily candle closing above 110. Because the second day has just started. It's been 4 hours and we still have time. If we get a second day closing above 110, target 115, then 120. But if it fails, it's still the same old situation. It's not the first time we are seeing Bitcoin doing a fake out. It will again drop towards 102,500. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. There's nothing else to add. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.